Balsamic Vinegar of Modena springs from a landscape of quiet beauty, an ancient territory ruled by the Dukes of Modena and Reggio in the centuries before Italy was unified. Defined by the majestic Apennine Mountains and the fertile plain of the River Po, the region retains captivating remnants of history. Graceful Romanesque churches, silent stone castles, and imposing fortresses that speak of a distinguished and distant past. Cypresses rise like church spires, slender and straight, lining country roads, and storybook villages perch on scenic ridges. Well-kept farmhouses overlook the quilted fields and orderly vine rows, a land blessed by nature and nurtured by families with generations of farming knowledge and expertise. Today, vineyards blanket the plains and rolling hills, their leafy trellised vines yielding long clusters of Lambrusco, Trebbiano, and Sangiovese grapes. The wine made from these gentle slopes is mostly light and fresh, often sparkling, perfect with the local cured meats, but rarely long-lived or intended for aging. In contrast, Aceto Balsamico di Modena, or Balsamic Vinegar of Modena, the beloved vinegar produced from these same grapes, is rich, fragrant, and concentrated. Delicious when bottled, but improving with age. Balsamic Vinegar of Modena is the liquid signature of its place, a condiment steeped in tradition and inimitable in taste.